In this video, I will show you exactly how you can post IG stories to Facebook automatically when you post on Instagram. Now, imagine that you created the best story ever and now you have to share it twice to different platforms. Now, this may be a bit annoying. Now, what you can do in this case is to simply post it at the same time. Now, of course, at first, open up the Instagram like this, and as you are on the home screen, I'm just going to swipe like this to get to the section where I can post whenever I want as a story. So I'm going to swipe up right here. Let's see, I'm just going to post this thing right here. So it's just going to be a photo of the iPhone 15 Pro, whatever. But if I want to make sure that I post it to both Facebook and Instagram at the same time, I just have to click on the arrow at the bottom. And this shows me the option right here. So I can share it as a message to someone, add to my close friends list, or share it to just my Instagram. Or I can click on the sharing options arrow at the bottom right here, and this will show me that although it is possible to share it to Facebook as well, since of course Meta is connected, or like Facebook and Instagram is connected through Meta, but at first I need to pair my accounts. I have to connect my Facebook account with my Instagram account. So this is what it's telling me to do. I can hit continue and it's going to go through the process, which I can actually go through, and I continue with the Facebook and stuff. I'm not going to go through it exactly for this specific account, but just keep in mind that when you click on it, you're going to have the option to share it to Facebook as well, or just to Instagram with the sharing options button. So this is the most important and crucial stuff. And there are, of course, like different apps which you can use for it, I guess. But this is the official way, and this is how I would use it in case I really wanted to. So this is everything what you should know about this, but that's definitely not everything what you should know about your social media and iPhones on social media, and that's why I created this. It is the Foxtecc educational platform, and you can join it for free. It's linked down below in the description, and inside you have some courses and stuff which I don't really push on this, which I only put it on like this Foxtecc platform. And you can find video editing courses here, or in-depth iPhone guides, more stuff coming soon in the future. So definitely join it for free right now, and I will see you inside. For now, just subscribe to the Foxtecc, hit the thumbs up, and definitely comment something if you want, and I will see you in the next future video. Thanks all for watching. See you guys later.